Hi, to take a screenshot and also scrolling screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A14 as a first step, let's talk about key combination which is doing the screenshot. The key combination is power off button which is on your right edge and also volume down button which is the lower part of the overall volume button. So to do a screenshot we would need to click on these two buttons at the same time, and as you can see the screenshot has been successfully made. We can click on it to take a look on it and it will open in our gallery. Here is it how it looks. And now let's talk about more interesting feature which is named scrolling screenshot. With the help of this type of screenshot you can capture a whole website in only one single photo. So let's open Google Chrome. So here we can see some type of website, and now we would need to just do a basic screenshot with the same key combination. And now when the screenshot is made, here we are already getting some hints which are saying tap here to scroll down the screen. So let's click on this button a few times. And as you can see, the website is scrolling by itself and it's being captured on the screenshot. So to stop, we can click on the home button, and now let's check out our cool screenshot. Here is it how it looks, and if we will zoom into this screenshot, you can see all of the details like it is a website. This is it how it works. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.